Hello, you are welcome back to my channel once again. I am very happy to be doing this video today. Why? Because majority of my subscribers are females. Majority of my subscribers are female. You're asking me how I know. I know this because Google told me this. You know Google owns YouTube. They told me that majority of my subscribers are females. And I'm also excited to do it because one, I have my wife is a female. I have female children and I have female sisters. I have female friends too. So this ritual, I'm going to be talking about a ritual that does not cost you much and it involves just one ingredient. And the ingredient I'm going to be talking about is no other ingredient than sugar. Just sugar. Before you dismiss this, make sure you watch to the end. I'm not sure anybody has told you this. I'm very sure you have not heard of this before. I'm so sure because I've never seen anywhere on the internet talking this. Even the Indians that are very good with spiritual things are not even talking about this. So before further ado, let's get into it. Welcome back. Like I said, the ritual involves just sugar. And the type of sugar we are going to be using is called cube sugar. Cube sugar. Cube sugar has these 4 edges. If you know the significance of 4 in spirituality, and if you know the significance of sugar in spirituality, then you get an idea of this ritual. It's not going to be long, so I want you to watch from the beginning to the end. If things are not working for you as a female, or you think some things are not supposed to be, or you've been looking for suitors for a very long time, or you are married but you have different difficulties in your marriage, or in your place of work, people are not favoring you, or your business is not moving the way, or most times I've seen people complain that they sell but they don't know how the money is going, don't really understand. There are spiritual theft, no doubt about that, but in some cases it is not about spiritual theft, it is about your own spirit. As a woman, as a lady, as a female, there are rituals you should be doing so to sweeten your life and to appease your God. I will still do a video talking about females in spirituality. When you talk about spirituality, females are very special and they are very, very powerful and important. Let me just give you an hint. If you give spiritual things to female and to a male, if you give it to a man and to a woman, you can give it to 10 men and give it to like 2 women. I'll bet with you 2 of these women will come back to testify that that thing is really working. But the male, maybe you can see 1 out of the 10 telling you it's working. It's not as if it's not working, but things work faster with women. So enough of this digression. I've digressed a bit. Please, don't mind me. Like I said, I love women so much. I love women because my wife, my mom, my child, my children, my friends, and most of all my subscribers. So it's like I'm bribing you. That's just a joke. It's a joke. I'm just trying to, but I'm actually bribing you with this ritual. So I want you to take this very seriously. That is why I'm saying this. You are needing just sugar. And what do you do with the sugar? It's a pack of cube sugar. It is not granulated, not the small, not the the granulated one. This one is cube, and it is in pack. I'm going to link that so that you can see how it looks like. For those who don't know, you can get it anywhere. You can get it in the stores. You can even order it online. Then you can get it in our local market, supermarket, and the rest. It is deadly cheap. How much? It is very cheap. Like in my own country, I think it's around 400, 500, and it works wonder. So how do you use this? You have to look for a running stream or brook, or a running stream or river. I don't know how you call it in your own dialect, but in Yoruba we call it odò tó ń ṣàn, a flowing river, or a flowing, is a river, a flowing, or a flowing sea. Odò tó ń ṣàn. I don't know how you call it. Maybe you can put that in the description. I mean, in the comment, what you call it is odò tó ń ṣàn. That means it's a flowing river, a flowing stream. So take the sugar, just 1 pack. Open it. Just take any one of it, any one, and put it in your mouth. Why put it in your mouth? You lick it and you pray. You pray for all the good things you desire. You pray for those things you want God to do for you. You pray to manifest positive things. After then, you cover it. Once you cover it, you now take it. You can do this from home, or you can do this when you get to the, but preferably you can do it in your house before you leave. Then you take the pack, the rest pack, then you take it to the odò tó ń ṣàn, or the flowing river, or the flowing stream. Then pour everything into that river. Everything. Then after pouring it, squeeze the pack and just throw the pack also to the flowing river. What you are doing is you are appeasing nature. Don't forget that human beings are 75% water, and water also has a lot of spiritual essence. What you are telling the universe is that you want your life to be, to be sweetened, and you want progress in your life, because the water flows. As it is flowing, then you are progressing, you are moving, you are moving, you are moving. Where others are surviving, you also survive. Where others are making it, you make it. Where others are progressing, you progress, but at a more faster rate than before. That is what you are doing. It's as simple as that. So the next question, obvious question, is when can we do this? You can do this anytime, but preferably at the beginning of a new month. Beginning of a new month might not be on the 1st. It might just be between 1st day to the 7th day. It might be on the 1st, on the 2nd, on the 3rd, on the 4th. But preferably, it can be on a Friday. On a Friday. Or if it does not fall on a Friday, then make sure it falls between the 1st to 7th day. If it is after the 8th day, you can do it. But preferably, it is better do it as a new month ritual, and you come and testify to me. Before I continue, if you are new to this channel, you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Your subscription will move this channel up, and press the notification bell so that when I release videos, you'll be notified. Also, for those who have subscribed, your like, your comment, your share will also give Google the opportunity to suggest this video to other people who might also be in need. I've given it to you free. You should also endeavor to give it free. Just share it. So, to recap, you are using just one ingredient, which is sugar. Sugar. Get a flowing stream or river that is flowing. Pray with just take one of the sugar, pray with it, and lick it. The rest, pour it into the river. Make it a habit. Make it a monthly ritual if possible. But if you cannot make it a monthly ritual, try to do it at least once every month. At least for the next 5-6 months. You see, you testify, you thank me, you even send me gifts, because this one is, I've given it to so many people, and but like I tell you, it is not on the internet. It is not on the internet. It is not even anywhere. A lot of people are not discussing this. Only very few people knows about this that I'm giving you, and you will definitely testify. You will definitely testify. I'm waiting for a testimony. I'm so sure of it. That's why I'm expecting you to give testimonies, either true or false. Either true or false. Just give your testimony. Let us know whether you have done it or not. Put it in the comment. And I give all my contacts in the description. My email, my WhatsApp, my Telegram. Just, you can contact me in any of these ways. Just tell me your testimony and I'll be very glad. And I can even decide to share your testimony with other people that see, oh, somebody has done it and it is working, and you'll be glad you did. Before I come your way again, or until I come your way again, don't forget, we can actually succeed together. Remain blessed.